Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to edit the zshrc or bashrc files on macOS. You can also apply this exact same method on Linux, since both of these files are located in the user's home directory. For example, on a Mac, open Finder and navigate to your current user's home directory. Next, press Command-Shift- if your hidden files and folders aren't visible yet. Right here, you'll see the zshrc, bashrc, or zprofile file, depending on which shell your machine is currently using. If you're not super technical, you can just right-click it, choose Open With, and open it using a text editor app. Then, let's add an environment variable just to test it out. Next, save it and open up your terminal. Verify the change by running the echo command. And just like that, you've successfully edited your zshrc file. If you prefer using the terminal, you can use the Nano text editor. Just navigate to your home directory and type in the file name. If this file doesn't exist yet, the system will automatically create it for you. Once you make your edits here, press Ctrl-O, then hit Enter or Return to save, and press Ctrl-X to exit. Finally, run the source command to apply the changes and verify it one last time. Alright, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.